Ever accidentally opened a tab in Incognito and are now wondering how to get back to your regular browsing on your Android phone? Don't worry, it's super simple to exit and switch back to your normal browsing mode. Let's dive in. First, open your Google Chrome app on your Android device. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen for the tab switcher icon. It usually looks like two overlapping squares. Tap on this icon. You'll see all your currently open tabs. If you have Incognito tabs open, you'll notice them at the top of this list, often with a darker theme and the Incognito icon. To close all your Incognito tabs at once and get back to normal browsing, tap the Close All button, which is usually located right above your Incognito tabs. Once you tap Close All those private tabs will disappear, effectively ending your Incognito session. Now, you're back to your regular, non-private browsing. You can easily switch between your regular tabs by tapping the tab switcher icon again. If you only wanted to close a specific Incognito tab, simply swipe left or right on that Incognito tab within the tab switcher view to close it individually. And that's it. You've successfully exited Incognito mode and returned to standard browsing on your Android device. Happy and safe browsing.